Ziyaan. I'm performing an experiment to see how does more water affect the growth of seeds. As we all know, seeds need water, air, and sunlight to grow. My experiment is to test that how does more water affect the growth of seeds. My hypothesis is more water stops the growth of the seed. The variables in my experiment are: the independent variable is the amount of water. The dependent variable is the growth of a seed. The controlled variable is the mung bean seed, paper towel, the temperature, and light. Materials needed are mung bean seeds, paper towels, 3 deep saucers, a measuring jar, and a bowl of water. Soak mung beans overnight, and then get 3 saucers, and in each of the saucers put a paper towel and put the mung beans inside it. Pour a little water into the saucer 1 to moisten the towel. Place some beans on the paper towel in each one of the 3 saucers. Pour 50 ml, enough water, into the saucer number 2 to cover the beans. Leave beans on the saucer number 3 without any water. Every day, moisten the towel in the saucer number 1 by adding 20 ml of water. Every day, add 50 ml of water in saucer number 2. Let the beans be covered in water all the time. My results are: saucer number 1. Mung bean seeds which got less water, 20 ml, grew because they got water from moist paper and oxygen from air, and they were warm. Saucer number 2. The mung bean seeds which got more water, 50 ml, were underwater, began to grow, but the water stopped getting air to them and they stopped growing. Saucer number 3. The mung bean seeds which got no water were dry and did not begin to grow. After 3 trials, my conclusion is: my experiment data supports my hypothesis that more water started the growth of the seed, but only up to a certain point. The growth rate fell with too much water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye!